So we originally started with the IP journey in 2016. Although we're all on the journey, we're all at different points. So it's important that we spend more time developing those people that need a bit more help on that particular area. We all get together now and we share best practice, we share ideas, we have lots of Rebel Ideas meetings. So it's a safer place to work. Everyone's going to make mistakes, that's not a problem. It's about learning from those mistakes and moving the business, moving ourselves forward, and that then moves the business forward.
And that is our learning and development, isn't it? It's person-centred. It's not about what we need to achieve as a business, it's about how can we make you better, so that plays into how we achieve what we need to achieve as a business.
Yeah.
I think it also encouraged sort of the operative levels and things, that they can challenge upwards, and that actually these ideas, we are just all people coming up with ideas on things we could try, and they have as much right to go, I didn't like that, or that didn't work.
Yeah.
And they were all helping each other as well. So one leader would have a good idea that worked, and then another leader would pick up on that and try something slightly different for their team, and that would work, and it just kept growing all these good ideas.